What's up guys, and welcome to today's video. Now today, instead of me just training glutes by myself, I would imagine a lot of you guys wouldn't really want to see that. I've teamed up with Chiara Pugliesi, and she knows a thing or two about training glutes. Buongiorno! Right, Italian greeting.
Always 2 kisses, guys.
2. That's how we do it in Italy.
Yeah, if you want to do the COVID rotation as well, you just give the elbow like this.
Bosh.
Like this.
Bosh.
Like
Bosh.
this. Yes.
And we're good to go.
Do you train your glutes?
I do, but I should train them more, I'm not gonna lie.
What is your favourite glute workout?
My favourite glute workout, I'll take my 3 favourite exercises. Hip thrust,
Yes.
a Bulgarian split squat with a Swiss machine, and...
Yes, always.
Yeah? Is that a good top 3?
Yeah, yeah. Let's start with some activation. Okay, so we got these. Mike is going to use this one because we need to put him through some pain.
Yeah.
So it's the thickest I've got, so that's going to be mine.
Do you ever use this one?
Yeah, all the time.
Yeah?
I'm a pro.
Okay.
I sleep with it as well.
Oh yeah.
Just take it to bed. So, Mike, so we're going to start with a little activation to proper engage our glutes. It's really important to start with some glute activation before your actual session because glutes are known to be sleeping giants. So that means they will tend to just be a little bit lazy.
Yeah.
So always make sure you just spend some time with the band, just with the band, activating them, because otherwise they'll tend to, your quads and your legs in general will tend to take over. So you want to put your band just above your knees, like so. And we're going to start with some thigh hydrants. Have you done them before?
Absolutely not.
Okay, get on all fours. So you want to lean on one side of your elbow and just raise one leg towards the ceiling, okay? So 1, yeah, open as wide as you can. 2, do 20 of this. 3.
You're really going up, like, oh, okay.
Yes, stretch those glutes. What are you doing? Come on.
More.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Let's learn.
I have a feeling this is going to be quite a challenging workout.
And you do 20 of these as well. All the way down. A nice deep stretch. 1, abduct. 2, weight on your heels. 3.
Oh.
Perfect. How did you feel that?
It was good. Once I got in the rhythm, it was nice. She's basically told me I'm not allowed to take this off. This is all part of the session.
Does it make a difference?
Yes.
Okay, so bands off. Bands off. Oh, you can
I'm
keep
really
yours if you
enjoying
want
it.
to say, yeah. We're going to be using as well a little plate. Just elevate our front foot. Go all the way down and up. Down, down and up. Going to show the superset straight away. Just squat.
Yeah. I love high reps you do.
For the gains. Come on. Push. Like that.
trending for?
Yes. What's your OnlyFans then? They want to know.
Oh.
I don't even think people on the channel know that you have an OnlyFans.
Yeah, I know. How crazy is that? I don't have anything. Come on. Big set. I believe you. You got this. Oh, come on. Yes. Come on, a little bit deeper than that. Stretch that glute. Yes. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 6, 7. Nice and deep. 8. 9. Come on. That was hard. Scale of 1 to 10, how hard was that?
That was really hard. Whew.
Straight into your superset.
Jesus!
Hey, can't be waiting around. Burning your bum as well.
Jesus.
That was a solid effort. Only one with D, like.
Wham the ding.
One with D.
Where am I?
Why am I?
What you want to do at the start of the movement is by hinging at your hips. So push your hips back, like so, and just bend. Well, keeping your
Your spine neutral as well.
spine neutral. So what you want to do is just keep looking down, like so, and descend. All the way down. And squeeze at the top. All the way down, and squeeze at the top.
You pulsing. My hamstring says otherwise.
Just because it's too heavy, that's why.
Nah.
You're feeding your ego there, that's why. How many should you do? 30? Sure. You're like 10.
It's crazy how just by doing one leg, you don't really need a huge amount of weight.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, that's why I said you didn't need to do that. I'm definitely not going to use this way because I want to do it correctly.
Did you say that I was doing that incorrectly?
No, there wasn't enough ROM there.
No, but I got tight hamstrings there. Short of fight or what? I am the master of range of motion.
Right, let me show you how to
I can do the splits, handstand splits.
Yeah.
You can do a really good glute spread.
Good range of motion that.
Okay, so next exercise, our lovely favourite hip thrust. Oh, little trick as well for girls.
That was a good trick.
That's not the trick.
Do that one again?
I love 35.
No, it's not like really a trick, but it's for girls. You know when you're struggling to put like the weight on, see if it's really heavy, what I normally do, I just sit here, just leg pressing. So it takes a bit of time. No, you know what? No, wait. It's because the floor is like really rigid. Usually it's just
It's like a
slides
typical
in.
normal gym floor.
No!
That's not working.
I'm so glad it didn't work.
That is the worst trick I've ever seen in my life.
Nice. Power.
Yeah. Stop looking at me. Come on. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, perfect that. Keep going. Perfect. Nice squeeze at the top. Bloody hell, you're heavy. Perfect. Well done.
There we go.
Yes, well
Felt
done.
good.
Okay.
How many reps are you going for? Come on, give me a number.
So how much is this?
From 140.
I don't know, like...
I tell you what, don't gas yourself out as well. You can go heavy afterwards.
Okay, let's do it. I'm actually a bit scared because I haven't done hip thrusts in a while because of like the lockdown. Okay, let's do it. 6.
Yes. Easy. Go on.
Go 7.
That's good.
Come on, 6. 1. 2. 3. Come on. 4. 2 more. 5. Push and look forward. Look forward. 6.
Oh God! A little bit of air just came out of me there. Go on. Yes. Go on. That was good.
Nice.
Okay, you can do it, Mike. Do it for me as well, that I haven't done it, and look forward. Come on. Yes. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6.
Wow.
Oh, out of nowhere.
So, can you tell us your secret? Because before you couldn't do like 20 kilos, and now you can do 200. So, what's the secret?
Having a great coach, guys. Making sure that you're doing it properly. Go on. Yes. Down, big push. Again.
That was it.
Very good.
It's a tried. Well done.
Oh,
Just gonna do it.
you're going to do an awkward one. Like a little
What's this?
fist bump. You've not done a fist
I've
bump?
never done it before, no.
You've never done a fist bump?
What is that about? I don't know whether you're taking the
Fist bump. We
piss
just
or
got-
not.
No, like, you know, if you do something like good like that. Yeah. Do it again, practice. Yeah. Well,
Okay, that's it enough now. Okay, so obviously if you don't have access to weights in general, using anyone you've got at home, your mum, your dog, anyone, literally, just hit throws. Just get hit thrusting basically. How much do you weigh?
about 95. Which way do you want to go? I feel like you should be on top of me.
No. Okay, so hold your ankles.
Have you got this?
Yeah. Yeah. Easy.
Heavy. Am I heavy?
No, like a feather.
That was good.
Okay, you do me now.
Put your hands to the side.
What?
Put your hands to the side.
No, you wouldn't hold it. You wouldn't hold it.
Is this allowed in the UAE?
Hold your ankles.
Okay, go.
Are you in the air?
Yeah.
I felt a lot lighter than that 200 kilos.
I'm 60 kilos. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so next exercise. Wrap your straps secure. So what you want to do, this is an isolation exercise as we said before. So we're going to be targeting your gluteus, medius and maximus, aka side booty, okay? So we're doing an external rotation, okay? So all the way down actually, we're going to get a bit further from the cable, so we get a deeper ROM. So one, all the way down. Yeah, so much better if you distance yourself more. Two. So another thing you want to keep in mind, you don't want to swing your body from side to side. You want to keep your core and your body, your upper body straight, and just move this side of your leg. Knee up. 1, 2. So you want your knee a little bit higher. Yeah? Okay. Perfect. 10. You actually be able to feel the exercise by the end of it. Just straight away. So this is the last exercise of the workout, and I also like it to call it the finisher because it literally finishes your glutes. Workout, we're going to do a hip abduction. So the way people do it normally is by leaning backwards, but what I like to do to target my glutes more is to lean forward and to pause when I abduct. So I'll show you what I mean by doing so. 1, 2, 3, 3 seconds pause, and then return on the glute roll. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
Got a little time in there, haven't you?
Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's really slow.
You count too fast.
That was a wrap.
That was good. I thoroughly enjoyed that.
Did you?
There was a lot of exercises I've not done before.
Yeah.
A lot of exercises I'll be incorporating into my routine.
Like which one?
The single leg
Oh, really?
Romanian deadlift is good. I'll probably do that one over there when the gym is completely empty. What is your YouTube channel name?
Chiara. Just write it down.
I will write it down so you guys can actually like copy it and
Can
type
you
it
say
in.
my name correctly
Otherwise,
now?
Chiara.
What-
Chiara.
Chiara.
Chiara. Pugliesi.
Pugliesi, yeah.
Pugliesi.
Yeah.
It's a tough
well
one.
done.